Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel Love Stories. Today I'm gonna do your online psychic love reading for the month of October. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, that's amazing, and if it not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. Let's get started. Cancer. What are the Cancer person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Cancer? What are the Cancer? Wow, everything is shattered, but I'm not going with that. Back to shuffle. What are the Cancer person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Cancer? What are the Cancer person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Cancer? Cancer, your person's feelings. Wow. Ace of Cups, Four of Sword, Ace of Sword, Two of Cups with my wise hands. What are the Cancerians' feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? What are Cancerians' feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? Seven of Cups, the Word, King of Sword, Page of Cups. What are the mutual energies? Three of Cups and Seven of Pentacles. These are your cards, Cancer and sign that could relate it to your person. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Ace of Sword, Four of Sword, King of Sword. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with this Seven of Cups, Page of Cups, Three of Cups, Two of Cups. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Seven of Pentacles. Let's talk about your person's feeling, Cancer, and your person is overwhelmed right now with their feelings and emotions. They do feel some kind of emotional feelings. They do have some kind of emotional feelings for you. Passionate, affection, love, soft, comfy, really nice feelings they have for you. They are offering you their love and affection, but you are not receiving that. You want clarity, you want stability. I think you are being warrior and you are cutting this person off. You are like, this person can feel that you will never accept this cup of love from this person because you are just straightforward and want clarity, and you are just in your battles, you are just dealing with your stuff. About this person, you are strict, straightforward, and cutting them off. This is how they feel from you, and break is still on between you two with this Four of Sword. There is you want to take break from this person. You want to be alone somewhere. You really don't want to deal with this person, and if you have to deal with this person, you want clarity, straightforward answers. No double meaning answer, no lame excuses, no bailing, no delaying. Just answer me clear cut what you want. Otherwise, I really don't want to deal with you. These kind of vibes and the feelings they getting from you, the vibrations getting from you, and they want to reunite with you. Two of Cups is all about strings. When two people, when your person belongs to you, they think you are the one. Some kind of bonding. And this person with this Two of Cups want to reunite with you. They want you to rescue me. Just let my soul closer to your soul. This is in this person's mind. Only this thing, only getting close with your soul can give them comfort and peace. So they want this peace from you. They want you to let my soul just close to yours. But you are taking break from this person. You really don't want to deal with this person. You are just fighting your battles, and this person is offering you love, affection, their feelings. With the Seven of Cups, you are confused here, or maybe you are getting feel from this person. This person is confused, but I think highly this is the first card in your side, vice versa. You are confused here about something, but you are not. This King of Sword is just telling another story. You are straightforward, you are strict, you are thinking logic, all the logical reasons and logical explanations. You're looking for that. You're entirely not giving any kind of explanations. But if they do a conversation, any kind of conversation with this person, then do look for logical answers. Straightforward, strict, calculative, robotic. You are just like that, a computerized system. You are right now in this kind of mode. And about this confusions, I think it's not confusion, it's just illusions. You really don't looking for some kind of illusions. You want logical answers. Some kind of cycle complete between you two. You are in the middle of a secure around you, security around you. You complete something, you are in your joy, you are in your happiness, and you complete accomplish something, a level and a thing complete between you two, and you can feel that. See this person offering you this ace of cups, and yes, you can feel that. You acknowledge this person offering you your love, affection, their feelings, and a gentle way, in a really polite way. If you talk to them, they are really polite, they are really, behaving, they're great. You can feel that they are offering you affection and love. But third party situation between you two, you really don't want to deal with any kind of third party. You are done with that. Three of Cups is all about a third person. It could be anyone, especially friends. When we friends on somebody, but more than friends, and that's kind of third party. Not closer to lover, but not entirely friend. Something between. So this type of third party, nah, you really don't want to deal with that. Maybe this person think like that you have somebody at your side. Maybe they are not okay with your friends. And with the Seven of Pentacles, you are waiting for something. You invest your 100%, and now you are waiting for your fruitful result with the Seven of Pentacles. You've done a lot. You think you've done a lot, and now it's time to get what you deserve. Let's see what else we have for you, Cancer. What else we have for Cancer? Nine of Swords, Seven of Wands, Page of Sword. With this Nine of Sword, some kind of anxieties and depression. This person is having nightmares. First of all, it's really hard for them to fall asleep. But when they asleep, they have that, the restlessness in their sleep, and living in a nightmare. You are fighting against this person, you are pushing this person away. These are for you, these are just this person's overthinkings and doubts. Third party, they are making it up for you. They are just imposing this friends with benefit theory on you, and you are standing up for yourself and pushing this person away. First of all, this is none of this person's business. When we are in a break, so why do you showing this concerns and doubts about the third person? And already, I already told you, just friends, we are just friends. But this person is imposing, maybe some kind of, maybe they are overthinking about that, these anxieties showing that this third party. If we just check this pattern, this person is restless, sleepless, because of the doubting you with third person. And the way you are pushing them away, I think you already tell them it's not like that, or maybe it's like that. It's give them more anxieties and depression. This person is restless, and you are pushing this person away, and the reason is third party. And this person want answers from you, and want to know, find out by their self what's the actual game between you and your friend. So they are just spying on you, collecting information, keeping an eye on you. They are just talking with mutual friends, sneaking into your Facebook, your Instagram, your WhatsApp, all the other social platform where you go online. After this online spying, they are just, stalking you a bit. This person is practically become a spy and a stalker, because they want to know about this third person, and you are not telling them. You are resisting them, you are pushing them. I think you don't even give them any kind of explanation about, we are just friend and all that. I think that's why the person is in anxieties, and they are totally rebellious. Let's see what else we have for you, Cancer, and what should you do. And we are having here King of Sword, Eight of Sword, and Ace of Cups. They can feel your coldness. You are really cold toward this person, straightforward and cold. And you are thinking too much about something. Some kind of overthinking in you right now, Cancer. You are stuck in your own thoughts and your own brain. You are thinking a lot, and right now pressurized. You are really pressurized. You want to do something, but you are pressurized, but you need to finish something. You want to start something, but that kind of pressure right now, and you're thinking a lot of overthinking, fears around you. You are listening to your fears, your anxieties. You are listening. They are just keep irritating you, your fears and your thoughts, and emotions and feelings. A lot of love for you, a lot of emotions. In upcoming days, you will face a lot of emotional things in upcoming days, emotional maybe conversation, emotions and feelings from all of everyone. Very emotional week for you. Let's see what else we have for you. New psychic and spiritual experience are changing the way you view the world and yourself. Allow your spiritual gift to open through study, prayer, and meditation. Really straightforward, clear cut answer, advice message from your angel. You will the way you view world and life, it's gonna change. Let's see what advice messages. Stop blaming yourself as destiny. Focus on yourself. Confess. Pray for the soulmate connection and confess these feelings. These are few advice messages, and summary of your reading is this person is emotional towards you, but you are cutting them off. They want to reunite with you. Third party situation. They are doubting you with a third person, and you are pushing them away. You are not giving them explanations, and in this result, when you are not giving them any kind of answer, they are spying on you. They're stalking you, your online things, and also they are just stalking you offline because they want answers and really emotional towards you. These are some of your readings. Hope this helpful for you. Thank you. God bless you.